Hey, my friends, how you doing? So I'm here in Student View, and what I want to show you in Student View is to help you help your students navigate where things are, how to do stuff with the assignments. A lot of your students maybe already know, but if this is new to them, there's some things that could be happening. So here I am in Student View of our Google Geeking class. You can see that I got the announcements are here posted. I can see that I don't have anything coming up. I don't have any major due dates posted, but a couple things that I want to show you. All right. Number one, you need to help them learn how to use the classwork. This is where all the work's going to be. All the topics are over here, whether you're organizing your work by week one, by subject category, however it is that you're going to be structuring. We'll come back to that. That'll be available there. And then here are each of these topics are these big headings as we go through. Now, I had just submitted a challenge for you to understand how to look at and change and modify your stream view in Google Classroom, which is task number 8 here. So as a student, I can see that in here. And if I go to look at this, I can see that it's dark. It's not grayed out, so I know that I need to do it. It shows that it's assigned to me. But the challenge is, like, what do I do with this, right? And so what I do is I go here to View Assignment. And when I click on View Assignment, here's the title. Here's when it was posted. Here's the instructions that were added. And in this case, here's a video. This could be a document. It could be a picture. It could be whatever it is, a link to something on YouTube, whatever it might be. And so in this particular one, I'm asking you to show a screenshot of your stream that you're using in your classroom. So a lot of you are starting to figure out the private comments, which are here. But you can also go here and submit your work. So in this case, I can add or create, and then I need to mark as done. So let me go ahead and do that. So for me, this is my stream. So I'm just going to take a screenshot here real quick. Okay, took a screenshot. I'm going to go to Classwork. I'm going to view this assignment. Once again, this is me as a student. I'm going to hit this add or create, and now I can pull from my drive. I can pull a link, I can do a file, whatever it is, or I could create something brand new if I wanted to. In this case, I did a screenshot, so I'm going to go to file here, and then I can just upload from my device since it was a screenshot. I think it's this one right here. So we're going to go ahead and open that. I'm going to hit upload, and you're going to see that it's going to upload this file. There it is. I can see now my work is right here as a screenshot. And then what I can do is I can then, as a reminder to turn it in, as a private comment, I can just say, I like the announcement only view. I can add that. I can turn this in. I'm going to go ahead and turn this in. This is verifying. And now I will be done. You can see now things were going to go, and they're going to be grayed out for me. When I go to my classwork now, you can see that it's now grayed out. It's turned in. Everything is in good shape. So that's how you can do attachments, do comments, all that good stuff right there within the Google Classroom from a student perspective. So hopefully that helps you with this class and might be helpful for you to share this information along with your students. All right, my friends, as always, remember, stay awesome. Peace.